नए बैट्समैन आए सोहेल खान मुंबई हीरोज के लिए। जैसी अंदर आए गले लगे सुदीप के। एक का बहुत जबरदस्त था, यहाँ पे मिलन हुआ है दूसरे कप्तान के साथ। और अब तैयार है स्ट्राइक में सोहेल खान। क्या करेंगे बल्ले के साथ? अब क्रॉस लाइन खेलने का प्रयास और बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, बहुत बढ़िया, लेंथ अच्छी है। और देखिए क्या हुआ था, जैसे अंदर आए पहले वो मुस्कान, फिर गले लगे। और अब ये पुराना प्यार नजर आता है।
Absolutely, Ajay. When two cricketers meet, we could see the same feelings. When two actors meet, the same feelings.
पर मैं बताऊं, क्रिकेटर्स जब ग्राउंड में मिलते हैं ना और विपक्षी टीमों में हो तो गले नहीं लगेंगे, आप बाहर लगेंगे।
Absolutely. I mean, that's a mutual respect which we have to appreciate that. Digant, Navraj Hans, and on the line, picks up by Rajiv. Straight into the hands. I think it was a good catch from Rajiv.
Well, the catching has been very good, very sharp from the Bulldozers. That's the reason they are back. Saw that catching from Pardeep earlier on. Now it's Rajiv. Navraj Hans as well. Another wicket falling. It's a good striker going for the big one. That was exactly what they wanted. Some runs here. But just that catch near the skirting, near the boundary line. They are so very happy. Another important wicket falling up, the sixth one for the Heroes. Navraj Hans walking back for 9 of 6 deliveries. It's 93 for 6. So Sohail is going to be on strike for the first time, but what an over from Digant. He's done a very good job. Things looking tougher and tougher for the Heroes. 33 of 9 deliveries. At one stage they were really cruising, had a fantastic partnership early on. 78 for 1 and just losing their way then. Oh, that's knocked. That's the end. The bails have fallen. He knows it. Sohail Khan just looking back and then realizing. Playing across the line. Another wicket falling here for the Heroes. They are in big trouble.
Absolutely, Ajay. Sohail Khan trying to hit or trying to get a maximum runs. In the bargain, he lost his wicket to Digant. You can see Digant holding the ball across the seam, slightly rolling on the finger. Hit the tip of the bail. Absolutely. An important wicket for Karnataka Bulldozers. And Deva all excited with his drums.
Yeah, he's been very busy, Deba. Sohail Khan out without scoring. It's 93 for 7.
Just have some fun.
The captain comes in for the Heroes. The team looking down the barrel in deep trouble at the moment. 93 for 7. Just limping to the crease, Varun Badola. And exactly what happened early on when they were fielding. Hans and Varun Badola just knocking into each other. His knee was hurt and that's the reason he's just limping when he came to the crease, Varun Badola. He's a good batsman, he's a decent batsman, normally bats up the order, but probably because of the injuries come lower down. Oh, going down the leg side. Optimistic appeal by the bowler, but the umpire not impressed, he's unmoved.
Absolutely, Ajay. We saw that incident in the first half And here he has come with the help runner and hitting on the first ball on the knee. Digant was spot on.
मनोज अब स्ट्राइक लेते हुए, मनोज बिडवई अब स्ट्राइक पे. मुश्किल बहुत है, ये राह बहुत कठिन नजर आ रही है. बुलडोजर्स ने जो वापसी करी है, जो विकेट लिए हैं, दबाव डाला है, और वो जो बुलडोजर्स के फ्लैग्स हैं आप देख रहे हैं, जो समर्थक आए हैं काफी खुश. ड्राइव करते हुए अपना खाता खोला, केवल एक रन मिलेगा. फील्डिंग बहुत बढ़िया रही है, बहुत उम्दा. और यहां पे मुश्किल में और वापस आने दिया. चलिए ओवर की समाप्ति 95 पे 7.
I thought Mumbai Heroes would win this game very easily, but it never looked like after that those 2 wickets fell. See the last over, who we got, Bulldozers. As we see Digant's over here, it's absolutely, this is the run out first, ran for the overthrow, and Raja Birwani was outshot by a few yards. And this one from Navraj Hans straight into, that's a good catch, Rajiv. And this one cleaned him up, Sohail Khan. Digant got his second wicket. And now Pradeep bowling his off spin from round the stumps and cleaned him up. Another one for Bulldozers as the punch, and they happy dressing hub, you can say, happy dressing hub.
Very right, Sunil. I think they know that they're in big trouble here. Coming round the wicket, Pradeep trying to work across the line, trying to play a big shot, striking timber once again, disturbing the furniture, and he's delighted. He's pepped up. Wickets are tumbling. We saw 3 wickets fall in the last over. Manoj out for 1. It's 95 for 8. Kabir Sadanand, the new batsman, in 95 for 8. The Heroes bowled 1 over, which was expensive, then picking up the important wicket. 31 required for the Mumbai Heroes of 5 deliveries. Daunting task. Just bowls the legal deliveries. It's still out of equation for the Heroes. I think the turning point was that could be trouble. Was in.
Anyway, Ajay, it's very important for Karnataka Bulldozers to finish the game as early as possible and less number of runs. In case Telugu Warriors lose the game, what happens?
Yeah, very right. And the net run rate then is going to be very important. Although Telugu Warriors is a very strong unit, they bat deep, they have a very good balance to their side. But you're very right, you never know. It's a game of cricket, of glorious uncertainties, anything can happen. That's the reason, the more the margin of win here for the Bulldozers, the better for them. Pradeep has been very impressive today with the bat, with the ball.
Absolutely. It's anything is possible, as you mentioned, Ajay. Cricket has seen a lot of uncertainties in every level. And we see here the smiling face from Mumbai Heroes captain Varun. But surprisingly, he is not wearing helmet. We all should educate and advocate to wear a helmet when you're playing any form of cricket.
The captain on strike now, Varun Madola. Oh, going for the cut shot, missing it. Sudeep was just looking if he's just coming out of the crease. They are into the dance moves now. They are feeling so happy. It's been a great comeback by the Bulldogs in this game. Once again missing that one. I think that injury is hampering him. Really hampering him. He's not looking too well, Varun, with his feet movement. Really difficult once you're injured.
Absolutely, with the injury, the front foot, left foot going in, it's very difficult. That's the one final ball, and Varun got a couple of runs to finish up the over. And Mumbai Heroes finished the game at 98 for 100. Finally, they got 100 out of their quota of 10 overs. And it's the customary handshakes with the Mumbai Heroes.